Hello guys, hello everyone. Welcome back to the session on AIML. It's gonna be a year-long session where you're gonna learn everything that need to become a successful data scientist from scratch things like how we can build the model, how we gonna train, like those things, and what is the statistics behind it. So everything you're gonna learn, friends. So this is gonna be AIML complete end-to-end session, and it's gonna be a year-long session. So please, guys, please subscribe to our channel so that you can get the videos whichever we are posting. So before coming to this session, please watch all the previous videos so that you can have a better understanding of what we are saying. Okay. So without any wasting any time, let us jump into the today's topic, which is on data integration and transformation in data science. Okay. So that is what the topic today we're gonna discuss. Okay. So the major thing in data integration or transformation are critical for data science projects. Okay. This involves combining and manipulating data to make it suitable for analysis and modeling. So this is what I think for the past 3 to 4 classes we are discussing. Okay, whenever we have a data, we need to have some kind of integrity, that is kind of a grouping, merging, and then some kind of combining, like those things we need to have so that we can collect all number of data which are existing, and then we can create a new data which is very helpful for some process of getting some good results in the in the output. Okay, whenever you build a model, you should have a proper input or a clean data so that you can build a model in a pure form so that you can produce a result which is also be pure. Okay, so and manipulate data, it is also used to manipulate the data to make it suitable for analysis and modeling. Okay, so whenever you have a data, you need to apply some kind of function or a science so that you can become a information. So this is what all about data science and data integration and transformation. Okay, yes sir, over to you. Yeah,
Yes.
the thing is
So,
like, yeah,
yes, data integration and transformation in data science, guys, we have to understand that data integration is very important and data transformation also. So, so these are critical for data integration and transformation for data science projects. So it involves combination of manipulating data, making it suitable for analysis and modeling. So we need to understand that these are very, very important terms and concepts, powerful concepts in data science. So we'll be going into detail and in data integration and data transformation. Let's go to the other slide.
yeah, sure sir. So guys, the first thing, okay, merging and joining the data set. Okay, so let's see, both are same. Let's see what is the difference they are saying. Okay, so merging combines data from two data set based on common identifier like customer ID. It creates a new data set with all the information from both the sources. Okay, so merging is a form of combining one or more data set based on a common column, whereas join combines data from two datasets based on the shared attributes such as product name. It brings together the information from multiple tables into a single table. Whereas merging, it is used to merge two different datasets based on some identifier. Whereas this join, where it has both the table has the same column, so that we will be having we will be bringing them together so that the information from the multiple tables into one dataset. Okay, the thing is, merging is used to merge two different datasets based on an identifier, whereas join is used to join two dataset based on its attributes, like uh, like if it is a product dataset, it will be a product name. So it brings together information from multiple tasks into one dataset. Okay, that is what we are having join, and this is how join is differ from merging. Yes sir, over to you.
Yeah, so merging and joining data sets. So merging is we combine two data sets based on the common identifier. Okay, we have to find the common identifier. There should be commonness in the data set. Okay, like customer ID, it creates a new data set with the information from both sources, right? So this is how we do merging. So joining is um, like in if you have seen in SQL we use joining, right? So we join. So joining is combination of two data from two data set based on the shared attribute. There should be a shared attribute. Okay, so then we join it. Okay. And such as product name, it brings together information, multiple tables into one data set. This is what is merging and joining. So let's move to the other slide.
Yeah, sure, sir. So before guys, before moving for the next slide, I have a point to say. So join has different ways. Okay, first is a simple join, which join the two different data set. Whatever the record is matching, it will be joined. Left join is one join which is able to just retain the information of the left table, and then whichever the information which are not available in the right table, it will provide it as a null, and the remaining part it will just fix it up. Okay, that is what left join. Whereas right join which is completely like different. Okay, so right join means we need to have all the data when which is related to the right block, and then this right join is used to join all the records in the right block but only matching records in the left block. The remaining records will be null. And then one more join, it is like a full outer join where we will be joining all the records in both the CSV file or data set. In order to make it like combining everything, we can use the full outer join. Okay, so yeah, that's all about this joining. Okay, let us discuss the next topic. Okay. Okay, feature engineering, creating new feature from the existing feature. I think this is we think so. Like this is third or fourth time. Okay, so guys, why we are just insisting this kind of thing is very very basic. Okay, so feature engineering, creating new feature from existing feature. First thing, derive new feature, combine existing feature to create new ones that capture more complex relationship in the data. So you cannot directly go and get the feature engineering today itself. No, you need to have a proper understanding of what is the parameters there, what are the medicines doing, or that something called as when it is a medicine field. So like that, you need to have a overall understanding of what it is happening, so that only it can derive the new features. Okay. Next, transform existing features, applying mathematical transformation to existing features to improve their relevance for distribution. Okay, whenever we are having like existing features, right, we need to transform it by again giving them the applying methodologies transformation. Okay, mathematical transformation which makes it this transform the existing features to the new feature. Okay, next is feature interaction. It creates new features that capture how different existing features interacts with each other. Okay, so we as a person, in order to like interact with them, we need some feature. Okay, in a group. Similarly, in order to make the input to predict the output, we need some kind of feature extraction or feature interaction, so that it will be very easy for our model to train and make it useful for the public. Okay, so that is all about this feature engineering, creating new features from the existing data. Yes sir, over to you.
Yeah. So feature engineering is again, we need to create new features from the existing ones. That's what is feature engineering. We engineerize the features. Okay. So we drive new features, combining existing features to create new ones and capture more complex relationship in data. That is the first um, thing which we do with feature engineering. Then we transform the existing features, applying mathematical okay, transformations to existing features to improve their relevance or distribution. And then we go for feature interaction. So creating new uh, features that capture how different existing features interact with each other. So these are very important that we have to combine all these feature engineering, creating new features from the existing data. That is the actual work. With these attributes we create new features. Okay, let's move to the other slide.
Yeah, sure sir. And now we're going to see data cleaning and pre-processing. Okay, so this is also we have seen before, but like if it comes under the category that we are seeing, right? So data cleaning and pre-processing, missing value, handling missing data in uses techniques like interpretations and as well as on the removal. Okay, so whenever we are having missing values, we need to handle it this missing value by the techniques like imputation. Okay, where we will be substituting some other value. Like if the age is missing, we need to get the average age of the entire column, and then we need to substitute in the age wherever the age is missing. Okay, like that we can do, or you can remove the record also if it is not at all useful. Okay, next, outliers. Identify and address outliers using methods like outlier detection and then vertical. Okay, so the removal is very important, guys. Okay, so uh, whenever you have a data set, right, there may be a greater possibility of outliers. Okay, once you are visualized this, you can find how much outliers are there. So if you find the outlier, you need to detect it and remove it so that we can build a model in more generalized manner. Okay, finally, data transformation, applying transformation to data to ensure consistency and suitability for analysis. So you need to consider the transformation of data which is suitable for your model to understand. Okay, so that kind of data transformation that you need. Okay, this is all about data cleaning and pre-processing. Yes, sir. Over to you.
Yes, so data cleaning and pre-processing. So, guys, we have to understand the missing values. It is very important to clean data and do pre-processing. So, missing value handling is very, very important technique to removal of. We do imputation and we remove the missing. We do imputation actually, or removal. We do that. So, then outliers are very important, and we have to identify and address them and using models like outlier detection and removal. So these are very, very important things which we have to consider. So that we do data cleaning and pre-processing. Data transformation is applying transformation to the data to ensure consistency and suitability for analysis. So we have to do data transformation so that we ensure consistency, uh, suitability for analysis so that it is relevant. And data cleaning and pre-processing, they are very, very crucial for your data, because that data, when you build model on it, you train, test, so you need to have a good data. It should be healthy data so that your model is built healthy and then your results are healthy. If there is any anomaly, any outliers, any missing value uh, in your data, then your output will be based on that. You will have poor performance and models won't be working well. Yes, let's move to the others section.
Yeah, sure, sir. So, guys, yeah, this is what all about this session. Okay. So, actually, I will just summarize what are the things that we have learned. So, this session is like data integration and transformation in data science. So, first thing, what we have seen, how to merge and join the data set. Then we have seen something called as how to create a new feature from the existing features. Then we have seen the data cleaning and pre-processing, which are very, very important steps, guys. So, in order to go for data integration, and as well as they are having one more term, right? Data integration as well as transformation. This is what I will say, the important steps that we need to follow. So merging and joining, and then this new feature creation, and then this data cleaning. So I hope this session is very helpful for you guys. So let me know if you guys are feeling any difficulties with our explanation. We are here to change everything. So yeah, guys, that's it from my side. If you guys feel any doubts, feel free to ask in the comment section, and please subscribe to our channel so that you can get whenever we just upload the video, you can get this video going. Okay, so yeah, that's it from my side, guys. See you in the next session. Bye, guys.
Yeah. So, guys, go only come to this session when you have watched all the sessions 5 to 10 times. Do reinforcement learning, okay, and build consistency. Retain the information. That's very important. Retain the concept. Retain the application. So absorb the information, digest the information, and apply. Write in the comment section if you have any feedback for us, how we can improve these sessions, and subscribe to our channels and do all the assignments. Thank you so much. Can let us see you in the next session. Thanks.
Yeah, guys. Bye. See you next session. Bye.